Hi, I literally just finished editing the video not like an hour ago. I just want to talk about the Roe v. Wade situation and how it's been overturned and how many people will not have the right to abortion in many states. I'm basically going to be repeating most of what I already said on Instagram, but the fact that people even decided to overturn the law or even contemplate that in the first place is baffling to me. When are people going to stop shoving their beliefs, their viewpoints, their whatever down people's throats? When are government officials, when is the Supreme Court going to stop sticking their nose in places where it doesn't belong? It makes no sense to me. And I understand that I'm not a woman, nor do I have the ability to give birth to another life. But these are basic human rights that are being messed with, and that's not right. That is not right at all. And my acknowledgments go towards whether you're a woman or just a person who is able to give birth, transgender, of anywhere on the spectrum. We see you. Millions of people see you and support you and know that you deserve the right to an abortion. There's plenty, millions of people voicing their opinions, saying that something needs to be done, and that's just what I'm doing. So, yeah.
At the next light, turn right.
Hi, my name is Sunny, actually Sean. Today, I'm going to Cascade Spring Nature Preserve, I believe it's called. The main objective is to find a waterfall to get pictures of, and then I have like a couple other photography ideas, which I might pursue, which I might do. Why did I repeat that? So yeah, that's the plan. Catch you later. Okay, I am ready to go. I read that the trail is like 10 minutes. It's like a 10-minute walk before I get to the waterfall. So, cool little walk, cool little stroll. Check this out. These pictures do not look that good, but I'm not really worried about it looking good. I just want to capture it. Magnifica. Oh, that's fire. That's fire, dude. The waterfall is approaching. We can obviously sense it. I just love the way when like light just brightly focuses on one like subject. Like nothing else is shining brighter than this rock right here. Like even with such a low light setting, it still shines bright. Love that. And we are here by the waterfall. Making use of my last Polaroid. My concluding thoughts on this adventure was that there was a lot of bumpy road on the way here, but it was definitely worth it. There was a strange little shelter kind of thing. I got an interesting shot there. And there was this cool wooden stage. Would definitely be good for a short film in the future. And then the cute waterfall. It's small, but it's pretty cool. And there was people around me just chilling, enjoying the waterfall with me. This is probably the most peaceful I've felt around a bunch of strangers. Overall, this was definitely worth the visit.